What's going on? Christmas has come early for the VX wagon. Some new Monroe GT shortened shocks, new strut top mount bearings, new roll bar links. Should be pretty good. It's currently rocking some standard length VT struts and Cobra lowering springs in the front, and so the shocks are rammed and it keeps snapping the roll bar links, so hopefully this is going to be a solution and sort out the ride. There it is, 8th of September 1999, not even FE2 or anything like that, and snapped and bent link numero uno. Still not too bad underneath anyway. Fairly clean. There goes the right hand side out. Had to break out the heat gun for these top mount nuts. Were just super tight. So just had to undo these two bolts through here and had to remove the upper caliper bolt just so I could get that one out there. Pull the ABS and the brake cable out of the strut mount there, and of course I didn't have to undo that because it was snapped off. Right hand side's made up, ready to go in. Side A is installed. The link. These nuts that you have to retorque 3 times. So as it pans out, once I installed the front shocks, thinking that it was all legit, took it in for its warrant of fitness, and then got failed for my rears not being captive. So I had to buy a rear set as well. So I've now pulled out these standard length KYB XLG shocks, which have actually probably only been in there for a little over 10,000 Ks, but whatever. I've now rammed this M14 high tensile 100mm bolt through the lower shock mount after the other one was threaded when I pulled it out. I Loctited it and thought it might have been all good, but fell out on the devil's staircase in pissing down rain after about 1,000 Ks, so it's probably worth trying to upgrade these because they're probably fucked and threaded in the control arm and the bolt. But other than that, it's all good.